Clone Experts Incorporated. We'll enter GPS mode, which means the signal is now strong enough to take flight with GPS activated. Please be careful never to fly out of GPS mode, otherwise the return to home failsafes won't work. This is very important to ensure you never lose your drone. To confirm you're in GPS mode, simply check your remote display. If it says mode 2, you're good to go. Aircraft unlocking. To unlock the aircraft and start the propellers, simply push the joysticks down and to the right or down and to the left. Limitless 2 has incredible built-in failsafes. When in GPS mode, the drone will return on its own upon reaching critically low battery, or if it ever loses. Connect to the drone's built-in Wi-Fi network. You can either scan the code or go to your app store and enter HFun Pro. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Find the drone's network and connect. Finally, open the HFun Pro app and get ready, because you're about to experience